Next, mean or average value of AC. Already we know about DC. DC means direct current. In the direct current system, voltage and current will be remains constant for the over of period of time. So there is no problem to express the magnitude. But in the case of alternating voltage or current, it will be vary from time to time. So some questions will be arising. That means that is how to express the magnitude of the alternating current and current or voltage. There are so many ways to having express it. Here we are going to learn only in the two ways. One is a mean or average value of AC and another one is RMS value of AC. Another one is RMS value of AC. It is a sine wave of an alternating current. Here the magnitude of the alternating current and the direction of the alternating current will be changes from one instant to other instant. Okay, during the positive half cycle, current is taken as a positive. During the negative half cycle, current is taken as the negative. So mean or average value of the symmetrical alternating current for the over one complete cycle. This is a one full complete cycle. Average value of the current will be 0. For example, for the positive half cycle plus 2 ampere na, for negative half cycle minus 2 ampere, the total current will be 0. Okay. So therefore, average value of an alternating current for the over one complete cycle will be 0. Okay. So the average or mean value is measured for the over one half cycle. It will be same for both AC and DC system. Here we are going to learn average value of AC. The average value of alternating current is defined as average of all the values of current. Average of all the values of current over the positive half cycle or negative half cycle. Okay. Already we know the sinusoidal current we can express I is equal to Im sin omega t. The omega t is nothing but angle theta. It can be expressed I is equal to Im sin theta. I is equal to Im sin theta. By the definition, average value of current I is equal to area of positive half cycle or negative half cycle divided by base length of the half cycle. Base length means this is a base length. For the one half cycle na 0 to pi. This is a base length of the half cycle. Base length of the half cycle. So in that case, first we are going to consider only elementary strip of thickness t theta. Small thickness மட்டும் consider பண்ண போறேன். This is thick of strip of angle will be t theta in the positive half cycle. I be the mid oriented of the strip. So area of this strip is I into t theta. Area of this strip is equal to I into t theta. So area of the positive half cycle will be equal to, our angle will be, base length angle will be 0 to pi. So in that case, area of the positive half cycle, area of the positive half cycle will be equal to integral of 0 to pi. For small elementary strip, area is equal to I into t theta. For the whole positive half cycle, area is equal to integral of 0 to 2 pi into I into t theta. I value already we know as the Im sin theta. Substitute the value instead of I. So it will be equal to 0 integral of 0 to pi Im sin theta t theta. Integral of sin will be become minus cos theta. Substitute the limit value. So minus Im into cos pi minus 0 minus cos 0. Cos pi value will be minus 1. Cos 0 will be 1. So minus 1 minus 2. Outside we are having minus. So minus minus plus. we are getting 2 Im. We are getting 2 Im. Substitute this value into the formula. So average value of AC is equal to, our formula will be area of the positive half cycle divided by base length of the cycle, half cycle. So area will be 2 Im, base length will be of the half cycle will be pi. So 2 by pi value is 0.637 into that Im. So average value of AC current I is equal to 0.637 into Im. That means average value of AC is 0.637 times of maximum value of the alternating current. Already we know Im. Im is the maximum value. So average value of AC will be equal to 0.637 times of maximum value of the alternating current. This will be same for the negative half cycle also, but one difference will be sign. For the positive half cycle it will become positive. For negative half cycle the value will become negative. So for the negative half cycle, I average is equal to minus 0.637 Im. That is a mean or average value of AC. This is a one way for expressing the average value of AC. That's